Steve, quick question.
Okay, why do you sound dangerous?
Because I have heard something terrible.
Oh no, what?
You said, I have did my homework.
Did I?
Yes, and grammar is crying.
Wow, Monday is really grammar day.
Exactly. Today we fix the present perfect.
Okay, good, because I always hear it, but sometimes I panic.
Don't panic. It's actually simple.
Famous last words.
No, really. Present perfect talks about the past, but it is still important now.
Past but important now.
Yes, for example, I have done my homework.
So the homework is finished
And that matters now.
because now I'm free.
Exactly.
Okay, that already sounds useful.
Good. Now here comes the magic formula.
I'm ready.
Subject plus have/has plus past participle.
Ah, that's the famous V3, right?
Yes, the third form of the verb.
So I have done.
Correct.
She has done.
Perfect.
They have eaten.
Yes.
Wow, I feel intelligent for 3 seconds.
Enjoy the moment.
Can we do more examples?
Of course, real life examples.
Good. I like grammar with snacks.
Okay, listen. I have done my homework.
I have done my homework.
I have eaten lunch.
I have eaten lunch.
She has finished her project.
She has finished her project.
Great.
So present perfect is good for finished actions.
Yes, finished actions that matter now.
Right, like I have cleaned my room,
Exactly.
which means now the room is clean. That sentence is beautiful. I never say it in real life, but it's beautiful.
Honesty is important too.
Okay, what about those little words? I always hear already, yet, and just.
Great question. Those words are very common with present perfect.
Let's go one by one.
Sure. First, already.
Meaning before now, or sooner than expected.
Exactly. Example, I have already done my homework.
So I did it, and maybe sooner than expected.
Yes, very good.
Nice.
Next, just.
Meaning a short time ago.
Right. Example, I have just eaten lunch.
So it happened a short time ago.
Exactly.
Okay, and yet.
We often use yet in negatives and questions.
Example?
Example, I haven't done my homework yet.
Oof, very realistic.
Or, have you eaten lunch yet?
Ah, that sounds supernatural.
It is.
So already means yes and maybe early. Just means a moment ago. Yet in questions and negatives.
Perfect summary.
Thank you. My brain has just accepted this information.
Excellent use of just.
I know. Please be proud.
I am.
Now, what about the negative form?
Easy. Use have not or has not.
So I have not finished.
Yes.
And the short form haven't and hasn't.
Ah, much better.
I haven't done my homework yet.
Perfect.
She hasn't eaten lunch yet.
Exactly. That actually feels simple. Because it is simple when you don't fight it.
I usually fight grammar first.
I know.
Can we do a quick recap? My brain likes drama, but it also likes repetition.
Of course. Quick recap.
I'm listening.
Present perfect talks about the past, but it matters now.
Okay.
The formula is subject plus have/has plus past participle.
Got it.
Examples. I have done my homework. I have eaten lunch. She has finished.
Nice.
Use already, just, and yet to give more context.
Already, just, yet.
Negative form, haven't, hasn't.
Easy enough.
Now let's do a mini practice.
Okay.
Say, I finished my homework before now.
I have already done my homework.
Perfect. Now, lunch happened a short time ago.
I have just eaten lunch.
Excellent. Now, negative, the action is not finished before this moment.
I haven't finished yet.
Very good.
Wow, I haven't cried today. That's progress.
There you go. Present perfect in real life.
I think I get it now.
Good. Just remember, have, has, plus V3.
That's the magic formula.
Yes.
And now I can say, I have learned something useful today.
Perfect.
And you can say, you have finally stopped panicking.
Also perfect.
This is a good Monday.
Grammar Monday.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.